How to scan a barcode on your Android device. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily scan barcodes on your Android device. Without any further delay, let us just jump right in. So many Android devices nowadays come with a built-in QR code scanner. So if you just go ahead and tap on the scan QR code option, it will open up your camera where you can easily scan any QR code. However, this is only for QR codes and it won't be able to scan barcodes for you. Tap on Play Store. You are going to have to download a third-party application. Now, all you have to do is go to the search icon at the bottom and search for barcode scanner and hit enter. From here, just tap on any one of them. You can find barcode scanner as well as QR code scanner. So I'll just tap on the second one here. The first one is by Gamma Play. It's the QR code scanner, but it also scans barcodes for you. So I'll just tap on install. Once installed, just tap on the open option and you should be able to open it up. Allow your camera access while using the app. And as you can see here, it scans both QR codes as well as barcodes. As you can see here, I've got this with a barcode. I can scan this and it's gonna easily show me the details about the barcode right here with its number on it. Now if you want, you can copy it up and click on the barcode product and add a product name as well. That's how you basically scan barcode on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one.